Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're tired of the same old scrambled eggs, you're in the right place. Today, we are kicking things up a notch with a fresh, exciting twist on breakfast eggs that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance. This recipe is about flavor and fun. Easy to make, even better to eat. I'm going to show you how to whip up a tasty breakfast that serves 3 to 4 people, but feel free to adjust quantities to suit your crowd. Alright, let's dive in and get cracking.
So the ingredients are 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, 1 medium-sized tomato and 1 medium-sized onion, both diced. The cheese of your preference, and the quantity is also according to your preference. About 1.5 tablespoons of butter, and of course eggs. I use 7 eggs. Completely optional, you can also add green chilies and for garnishing coriander leaves, both of which I will do later on. The ingredients are listed in the description box below. Alright, let's get started. First thing first, we are starting off with the butter. Drop your butter in a pan over medium heat and let that golden goodness melt down and get bubbly. You want it hot but not burning. Now that we've got our buttery base ready, throw in your diced onion and give them a good stir to coat them in that rich butter. The trick here is to let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium-high heat. We're looking for them to turn soft and just a little caramelized, soft and slightly golden. If you're up for a spicy kick, toss in some chopped green chilies now. Mix them with the onions and let that heat infuse for 1 to 2 minutes. These chilies are like the life of the party. They'll wake up your senses faster than any alarm clock. Now let's bring in the tomatoes. Add them to the mix, stir everything around. Let those tomatoes cook for a good 4 to 5 minutes on medium-high heat with the lid covered. We want them to soften up a bit but still hold their shape, like halfway mushy. The lid helps to lock in all those lovely flavors. Now let's turn down the heat to medium-low and get those spices in. Add the turmeric, a sprinkle of salt and a dash of black pepper. And mix it all together for 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's time for the eggs. Crack them right into the pan one by one and mix them gently with that flavor-packed base until it all comes together. The eggs will soak up all those amazing spices, onions and tomatoes, making every bite flavorful. And now for that final touch, sprinkle the grated cheese of your choice over the top and give it a quick stir. Just a few seconds to let it melt and get all gooey. Finish it off with some fresh coriander leaves. Now just look at that. Doesn't it look absolutely delicious? I'm pairing this with some toasted buttery whole wheat bread, but feel free to serve it with whatever you like. And there you have it, a breakfast that's not only simple but also incredibly satisfying. Now it's your turn. Go on, give this recipe a try and make your morning extra special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious adventure in the kitchen. And hey, share your twist on this recipe in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep cooking with love and flavor and stay blessed.